So here we are with our Pygame tutorial number 2, and let's see what we did last time. We just made this little simple window where you can see a little surface here and you can click it to go. Now let's see what else we can understand about surface and images. Okay, so let's go into this second tutorial, and let's see. We learned how to make a square here. We could make of any sides, of course. We can make it also here in a rectangular way, and modifying the width and the height here, and of course also the position will be changed when you change here the X and Y starting position where we bleed our thing here. I made a number too big, it goes out of the screen. There it is. I can change the color, of course. Let's say 180, and let's say here a yellowish kind of color. Now let's see what happens if I just wanted to add an image to my instead of a simple square. First of all, I could just let me see what I can do here. I could teach you how to fill the background with a 128 128 128 color. That is something greenish. Let me see. This one says that indentation here, I missed some brackets somewhere. Okay, there it is. You see now it's green, and if you put a little bit more of this, you'll see it's more greenish. And so another thing that you can do is to bleed instead of a simple square. You can also, let's do a background PG, and instead of using pygame.surface, we're gonna load an image, pygame.image.load. Let me see 002 here. PNG, that is the cover of this video. We don't see nothing because we need to bleed it. Screen.bleed the background at 0, 0. So there you go. You see it doesn't fit the screen, and you didn't see the square because you bleed it after the square. If you bleed it before, you see the square is here. Let me change the color of the square so that it is more visible. There you go. And so let me see. We could also flip the image. Okay, once you load an image, you can do convert. You don't see any difference, but it's convenient because it's a way to better manage this image. And so you can bleed every image on the screen wherever you want. You can, if you don't put it to 0, 0, for example, 10, 50 here, you will see that this one is bleeded a little in a place a little bit down here, and you see the background behind it, it's greenish. So that is how you can place your images or make even sprites. So for the moment we can, I think, stop here, because we're gonna make very short videos about where we explain Pygame. So this time we learned how to load an image and read it on the screen, just like a surface. And in fact, also this object here is a surface. See you next time.